morning children. Today we will continue the lesson input and output devices. Input devices already we discussed. What is input devices? Means the device you use to enter the data or instruction in a computer. Okay. And what are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, microphone, webcam, scanner, joystick, etc. Now we will continue this lesson. We will discuss about output device. What is output device? Output device means the device display the result after it has been processed are called output devices. Means after when we enter the data through input device, after processing when result is coming out, that is coming through the device, that is called output devices. Okay, some common output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, etc. Okay, monitor means we are the most familiar with the monitor because it looks like a TV screen. Whatever shows on the TV or screen, that is the result. That through the monitor we can see the result, and it is after the processing of input, this monitor will show the output. Okay, then printer. What is the printer? Printer, whatever we are showing in the monitor, that will come in the paper through the printer only. Okay, it may be a black and white or color printout, and that paper which is used for printing, that is called hard copy. Then learn more is that dot matrix, inkjet and laser printer are the popular printer used nowadays. Then speaker. What is the use of speaker? Speaker is used to listen the audio from music or any other kind of sound of a computer. Through the speaker we can listen the music or any kind of sound we can listen through the speaker only. Another output device is our headphone. What is the headphone? Here one learn more is there. All multimedia computers have a microphone and speaker. Okay, so microphone is the input device and speaker is the output device. Headphones means headphone help us to listen to music or other sound without disturbing others. Means no use with high volume if you are putting, means all will disturb. So with the headphone if you use, means you will listen only your music or your song. Nobody will disturb you, and you will not disturb to other also. Okay, now storage device. The device is used to store a large amount of data information for a time are called storage devices. Okay, whatever the data you are storing for a long period of time, that is storage device. What are the storage? Hard disk, CD and DVD, pen drive, etc. Hard disk means it looks like a rectangular brush like this. Okay, it is present inside the CPU box and it stores large amount of data and information. What is CD? You can see the CD. This is a circle round in shape, and this device is used to store large amount of data, and you can store more data on a DVD and a CD than a CD. Okay, means larger files we can save in the DVD than the CD. Now pen drive. Pen drive is called a flash drive. It is like this is pen drive, and it is also known as flash drive. It is small in size and can be carried anywhere. We can keep in a pocket and you can take anywhere, and it can store more than data CD or DVD. Okay, think and live. So these are the output and storage device. We have to learn these devices, input, output and storage. Then we will start the lesson exercise next class. Okay, and your task is you write the tech term and quick recall in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.